Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 4. So it's amazing how quickly things have progressed, and now what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to put absolutely everything together, and we're going to look forward as well in your population health practice and how you can apply what you have learned in this course as you move forward. We are going to start by first taking a step back and looking at leadership in general. As far as leadership practice, we know it comes down to some very simple relational concepts, and the TED Talk really does bring that home to us. We are also going to look at leadership building and beyond, the next generation of leaders. So where are you as so far as building that population health practice within others and preparing new nurses for roles in population health? Remember, a positive culture is so important for individuals to thrive and apply those concepts of population health, and for you to thrive as well, because we all thrive in positive environments. So, I do want you to take some time to look at the article titled Institute of Healthcare Improvement Framework for Improving Your Joy in Work. Our readings this week are all encased in your development of your population health practice and how to develop the spread to change culture in healthcare. When we look at the discussion for Module 4, your final discussion board, you are going to share with your classmates your putting it all together presentation so that you can really look at the progress of how everyone has evolved over time and built a very strong presentation to build population health practice. Everyone's presentation may also give you some insights into your future work, maybe some components that you want to integrate into your practice based on other presentations. We're also going to look back at that first module and look at the competency that you had chosen and take a look at that. So again, we're doing full circle. We're wanting to really reflect on what we've done in the course. Please feel free to share some of your key takeaways with the course itself. So this really is a nice time during the course to really reflect back on everything that you've learned and how much progress you have made. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have questions or concerns. Again, as with the other modules, there are objectives here relative to the readings for this module. And there are a number of resources, including the TED Talk that I discussed, the Institute for Healthcare Improvement Framework for Improving Joy, just a number of different resources for you. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so much.